A really interesting report's just come out where they surveyed tenants vacating rental properties in Queensland. And what they found is 60% of tenants identified inefficient or incomplete maintenance as a major factor in them deciding to vacate that rental property. Now, A-grade property owners understand that genuine maintenance, once it's been researched and understood, should be completed as quickly and efficiently as possible. And this will in turn ensure that your A-grade tenants are happy to renew their lease, they're happy to sign longer lease terms, and they're also happy with reasonable market rent increases. Now, we're introducing some really exciting new maintenance software at Coral Sea. It's called Tappy, and it's going to allow us to have better visibility over maintenance jobs getting completed, the time they're getting completed, and the cost for them to get completed. Now, really cool stuff in the technology. I'm going to talk more about it in another video, but some of my favorite features are they've got AI incorporated within it, and they've also got asset tracking, which allows us to make a more informed recommendation on whether you should send someone out there to repair an asset in your property, such as a stove or a dishwasher, or whether it's better off to consider replacing it straight away and saving an initial call out and investigation cost. Now, if you are or you know a property owner that's unhappy with maintenance getting completed at their investment property, I'd love to have a chat about what our maintenance KPIs are and what our actual results are. And with maintenance, one of the main things is people not communicating and getting back to each other. So don't forget, we've got if we don't respond to your call or email within 48 hours, we'll pay you $100 communication guarantee as well.